Here is our chubby orange kitty. He really wants to get in shape, but oh boy, it's not easy. Look at him staring into the mirror. He tries to pull in his belly, and boing, it pops right back out like a fluffy spring. Now he steps onto the scale. Oh, the arrow is spinning, and the scale looks a little scared. Next attempt, the treadmill. He runs faster, and whoops. He rolls like a big orange ball and lands in a pile of towels. Let's try the jump rope. Wow. Now he looks like a very round, very tangled cocoon. Yoga time. He tries a plank. He wiggles, he wobbles. And belly flop. That did not go as planned. Squats. Thump. His belly taps the ground every single time. Hula hoop. Nope. It just slides up and lands right on his head. Even dancing turns into a tiny disaster. Our poor kitty is trying so hard and getting so tired. He flops onto the floor. But then, sniff, sniff, he smells something delicious. Oh no, a giant cake. He tries to resist, shakes his little paws, but he can't take it anymore. He leaps, he flies, and boom, frosting everywhere. Now he's completely covered in cream, but he's still determined. He trains a little, stretches a little, even lifts teeny tiny weights. And guess what? He finally makes a tiny bit of progress. Just a little, but it counts. Oh, now a cupcake rolls toward him. He stares at it, thinks very, very hard, and this time, he gently pushes it away. He smiles proudly. He did it. Even the smallest steps are still steps forward.